Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine? Good. I'm also fine and good. So, hope you all are healthy and happy. With this, today again we will be continuing our chapter 6, that is plant, and today we will revise the chapter. Okay. Today is day 9 I have written, but it's a buffer day. Okay. I just want to recapitulate all the chapter of plants. That is why I have taken this day. Okay, it's an important chapter and you should know many things about the plants. Okay, so let's before beginning the class, we will see the learning objective of the class. Okay, learning objective of the class is to revise the whole chapter. Okay. So we have come to know about the very first in this chapter. We have come to know about different plants. Okay. So we have very first we learn about the type of plants. Okay. Type of plants. So we have 5 types of plants. Okay. We have 5 types of plants. The very first one, we had the 5 type of plants, and the first one is herb, shrub, then trees, creeper and climbers. Okay, so we will be learning about this. So we have learned about the 5 type of plants. Now the 5 type of plants are herb, shrub, tree, creeper, climber. Herbs are very small plants with thin, green and weak stems. जो छोटे प्लांट्स होते हैं उनको हम हर्ब बोलते हैं. उनका स्टेम जो है वो वीक होता है, उनका जो साइज होता है वो छोटा होता है. ओके, लाइक द मिंट प्लांट इज देयर, तुलसी प्लांट इज देयर. ठीक है, तुलसी के प्लांट को हम हर्ब की कैटेगरी में डालेंगे क्योंकि इसकी स्टेम इज वीक and it is having the plant is small in size. Okay, now we will come to the shrub. Shrub is also a small or medium sized plant. This plant is having woody stem. Okay, woody stem it is having, and they are bushy. Okay, झाड़ियों जैसा होते हैं, जितनी झाड़ियाँ होती हैं वो shrub में आते हैं. ठीक है, इनके स्टेम जो होते हैं ब्राउन एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं, वुडी होते हैं. ठीक है, दे आर हार्ड एनफ टू let the plant stand properly. Okay, so the example of shrub is we have rose plant, China plant, bougainvillea plant. Okay, these all plants are they all fall in the shrubs category. Okay, okay, now the third type of plant is trees. Okay, the trees are they are very tall, long, and they have very thick stem, जिसको हम trunk बोलते हैं. What we say that we call the trunk. Okay, इनके stem को trunk बोलते हैं. Okay, so they are very big also, they are very strong also, they are having the thick stem, and they are called the trees. Okay, the plants which are having the thick stem. And now the example of trees what we have taken, that is the neem plant, mango plant. Okay, so the plants which are really big and have the thick small stem. Okay, पीपल का plant देखा है आपने, then even you have seen the blackberry plant. Okay, these all are the plants which comes under the tree. Okay, now we have the creeper. Okay, the fourth type of plant we have studied is the creepers. Okay, creepers are the plants which are having very weak stem. Okay, green and weak stem. Everybody is having the money plant at their home. This money plant is a creeper. Okay, creeper. Sorry, beta. Creeper is not the money plant. Very sorry. Creepers are the plants which creep on the ground. जो ground पे ही रेंगते रहते हैं, जैसे कि आपका pumpkin is there, then watermelon is there, because they have really big and heavy fruits, and their stem is weak enough to not carry the weight of these big fruits. Okay, इतने बड़े फ्रूट्स होते हैं कि इनके फ्रूट्स को अगर हम इनको किसी सहारे से चढ़ा भी दें तो इनके फ्रूट्स के वेट की वजह से इनके स्टेम तो टूट जाएंगे. सो दे प्रीफर टू क्रीप ऑन द ग्राउंड ओनली, और ग्राउंड पे उनका फ्रूट रह जाएगा. सो दे ऑल्सो हैव द weak stem, green stem, okay, and they creep on the ground only. Okay, now we will come to the climbers. Okay, climbers, what the climbers are? Climbers are the plants which need support to climb up. Okay, ये इनको सपोर्ट चाहिए ऊपर चढ़ने के लिए. ठीक है, तो इसमें ये क्या करते हैं, what they do, they take the support of wall or anything else. Okay, like money plant, everybody is having the money plant at their home. They can see that they need support. The thread और आप रस्सी से बांध देते हो और वॉल का सपोर्ट लेकर के they creep up. Okay, वो अपने से ऊपर नहीं चढ़ सकते या स्ट्रेट और इरेक्ट नहीं रह सकते. They can't. Okay, so they take the support. They have the weak stem. Okay, after this we have learned about the different habitats of the plant. Okay, now we have learned the type of habitat. Okay, this also we have 5 types. This also now we are going to learn about the type of habitats. This is also 5 types. Okay, these are also 5 types. Okay, so students, what is very first we will learn about what is a habitat. Okay, habitat क्या होता है? So habitat is a place where a living thing can grow properly and it's comfortable. Okay, the environment, the climate, everything suits them to grow and be healthy. Okay, so habitat is a place where the plants can, plant habitat is a place where the plants can grow very properly. Okay, they can flourish. Okay, so we have 5 type of the habitat for the plants. Okay, so we will be telling mountain plants. That means the plants that grow in mountains. So they have modified themselves according to the mountains. Okay, so mountain में they have the conical shape. Okay, when they grow they have the conical shape. They have the needle like leaf. Okay, जो plants माउंटेन में ग्रो करते हैं उनकी लीव्स जो होती हैं वो नीडल की तरह होती है. उनका शेप जो होता है वो कोनिकल होता है, सो दैट स्नोफॉल हो तो वो बाहर गिर जाए. ओके, सो द माउंटेन प्लांट्स आर एडॉप्टेड टू ग्रो इन अ कोल्ड एरिया. ओके, विथ हेवी स्नोफॉल. Second is desert plants. Okay, desert plants are the plants which can grow in desert in a hot, dry and weather where the water is very less and rainfall is also very less. ठीक है, rainfall बहुत ही कम होता है. तो ये जो plants हैं, how they survive, because they have modified themselves. उन्होंने अपने आप को बदल लिया है. मतलब they have very long roots. उनके roots बहुत लंबे होते हैं. Okay, they have fleshy stem to store water. Fleshy stem to store water. Then they have their leaves. जो leaves से पानी निकलता है ना transpiration के लिए, they have the leaves which is modified into scale and thorn. Okay, scale और thorn में modify हो जाता है. Scale is a like dry leaf, so water check कर दिया, उससे water नहीं निकलेगा. थॉर्न जो होता है वो उनको प्रोटेक्ट करता है कि एनिमल्स उनको खा ना सके. दे कैन नॉट ईट. ओके, सो दीज ऑल आर द कंडीशंस विच हेल्प देम टू सर्वाइव इन द डेजर्ट. दैट हैबिटेट दे हैव मॉडिफाइड देमसेल्फ टू अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर हैबिटेट. ओके, नाउ वी हैव द टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लांट्स और लैंड प्लांट्स. टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लांट या लैंड प्लांट जो है they grow on the land. Okay, they have all the things, so they can grow well. They have favorable conditions. Okay, now we have the water plants. The fourth one is water plants. Okay, the fourth one is water plants. These water plants are also called aquatic plants. They are also called aquatic plants. Okay, then these aquatic plants grow in water. On the surface of water, they are submerged also and they grow down also. So इनकी पत्तियां जो हैं वो वाटर में सड़ ना जाए, ठीक है, सड़ ना जाए, उसके लिए क्या करते हैं कि दे हैव द वैक्स कोटिंग। ओके, जब वैक्स या ऑयल लगा देते हो तो आपके ऊपर पानी नहीं रुकता ना, वैसे ही इन लीव्स के ऊपर भी, इनके स्टेम्स के ऊपर भी वैक्स कोटिंग होती है, जिससे कि इनको ये सड़ते नहीं हैं। और इनके स्टोमेटा जो होते हैं ना, जिससे पानी बाहर निकलता है, वो लोअर सरफेस पे होते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े होते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं, जिससे कि पोर्स जो हैं वो पोर्स से पानी बाहर निकल जाए और वो सड़े ना, ठीक है। तो दीज आर द एडॉप्शन ऑफ द वाटर प्लांट्स। ओके, नाउ वी हैव द कोस्टल प्लांट्स। ओके, कोस्टल प्लांट्स आर द प्लांट्स विच कैन ग्रो इन अ humid condition where the and the soil is having the salt, a lot of salt, and it's near the sea. जो सी के नियर का पास का एरिया होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द कोस्टल एरिया। ओके, those coastal areas, whatever the plants grow, like coconut plant grows over there, so that is called that is the coastal plant, and these plants have adopted themselves to grow in a coastal area. Okay, so we can say the mountain plants का example pine, then desert plant का example is cactus, then the terrestrial plants this mango, neem, all the plants will come under. Water plant, lotus is there, water lily is there, then coastal plants, coconut is there, palm is there. Okay, so after this we will be doing the what we get from the plants. Okay, हमको प्लांट से क्या मिलता है। So children, now we will be learning that plant gives us shelter. Shelter देते हैं ना, monkeys and birds they live in on the plant. Okay, and then we have the food. Whatever the food we get from the plants only. If you eat the non-veg also, then the goat also eat the plant, and then you get the food from the plant only. Okay, so it's a food. We get the fruits also from the plant, vegetables also from the plant, cereals का मतलब होता है rice and wheat. Okay, so rice and wheat also we get from the plant, and then pulses मतलब दालें होती हैं, whatever the gram you get or lentils you get, that all you get from the plants only. Okay, so plants are they give everything to us. Okay, so they give the last one, cloth also, like cotton cloth I explained you in the video how we get the cotton clothes. तो cotton plant होता है, cotton plant से हम cotton abstract करते हैं और वहाँ से फिर हम उसे thread yarn बना करके and then we weave the cotton clothes, and cotton clothes are really good in the summers. Okay, so apart from this, jute bags are very famous nowadays that we should use them. Jute is also we get from the plants only. Okay, then nowadays jute clothes are also coming, you can use that, that will be that they are really good. Okay, after that we have learned about the kiwi, strawberry and broccolis. Okay, these are the exotic fruits and vegetables that we get, that are not the native of India. Okay, they are exotic because they are not the native of India. We are growing nowadays, but it's really healthy, but they belong to other country, like kiwi that belongs to Japan. Okay, then we have learned about the leaves. Okay, in this chapter we have learned about the leaves. Okay, so now we will see that what the leaves will do. Okay, so what the leaves are the green part of plant. Okay, leaves are the green part of the plant, and they are also called the kitchen of the plant. Okay, they are also called the kitchen of the plants. Okay, because they prepare food for the whole plant. Okay, पूरे plant के लिए food prepare करते हैं. Okay, now you see this leaves. जब हम बाहर जाते हैं, when we go out and we see the leaves, we find different type of leaves. Okay, some leaves are really big, banana leaves are big one. Okay, now neem leaves are very small one. Then we can see that a leaf is having structure like this. Okay, it can be small or big, and it can have the shape also. Okay, some leaves are heart shaped, some leaves are oval shaped, some are elongated. Okay, so we have different type of leaves. देन टेक्सचर, ये रफ होता है, इसका सरफेस रफ होता है या स्मूथ होता है, दैट ऑल्सो वी फाइंड आउट. देन मार्जिन, दिस मार्जिन इज sometimes you find that the margin is thin, okay, sometimes you will find the plain margin, sometimes you will find the wavy margin also, okay. Then color, generally the colors are color of leaf is green, generally the color of leaf is green, but sometimes it can have the red also or brown also. Dry leaves are brown in color, okay. Then color, aroma, इसकी स्मेल कैसी होती है, हाउ डू द लीफ स्मेल. अगर आप लेमन ट्री के लीफ को टच करोगे, क्रश करोगे, यू विल फाइंड द एरोमा ऑफ लेमन लाइक. देन कोरिएंडर लीफ इज देयर, मिंट लीफ इज देयर, यू कैन फाइंड डिफरेंट एरोमा ऑल्सो, ओके. Now we'll be learning that how the leaves are useful to us, okay. So as we know that leaves are very useful even for the plants and for us also, okay. So what we do, leaves have the green color pigment, they are called the chlorophyll. सभी लीव्स में एक ग्रीन कलर का छोटा छोटा ग्रैन्युलर पिगमेंट होता है जिसको हम क्लोरोफिल कहते हैं. वी से देम क्लोरोफिल, ओके. These chlorophyll are very useful as they prepare food, okay. How they prepare food? They take carbon dioxide from air, air से ही carbon dioxide लेते हैं. Water from the soil, they take the water from the soil and then in the presence of sunlight, in the chlorophyll, in the presence of sunlight, they prepare the food and give the fresh air, that is oxygen, okay. So this whole process is called photosynthesis. So leaves are very important for us. They give the everything for us, and then they give the food. They give the food. Many leaves you eat. Then they give the medicine. Like tulsi plant you eat when you feel cough and cold. Okay. Other plants are also there. They are also having the medicinal value. Then household items, they roof बनाने के काम आती हैं. Palm leaves, coconut leaves, and then banana leaves. पे many parts पे people they eat on banana leaves. Banana leaves पे वो खाना भी खाते हैं. Okay. And mehendi you use for coloring your hair. Hair and hands. Hair and hand, and then indigo you use for coloring, making your white clothes more brighter and white, okay. So these are the use of leaves, okay. And after that, leaves are once in a year, like in autumn season में plants they shed their leaves, उनके पत्ते झड़ जाते हैं. पतझड़ आता है ना, तो पत्ते झड़ जाते हैं ना, तो the leaves get dry and they fall off from the plant. And then some of the gardener, what they do, they collect these all leaves and they put in a pit, and that pit is also can be filled by the apple core, then kitchen scrap जो भी peel out होते हैं उनसे उनको, and then that will be worked upon, मतलब उन पे microbes लग जाते हैं, जैसे bacteria, fungus and algae, and they all work on it, and then whatever the material is put in the pit, that is turned into manure, that is called the compost, okay. And the pit is called the compost pit, okay. और इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा जो हेल्प करता है इन सारे वेस्ट मटेरियल को मैन्योर में चेंज करने में, द मोस्ट हेल्पफुल एनिमल इज द वर्म, दैट इज अर्थवर्म, ओके. अर्थवर्म बहुत ही हेल्प करता है. सो that they are also called the farmer's friend, that we will be learning in the creepy crawlies after next chapter, okay. So manure is important, and with this we should take care of the plants, okay. Why we should take care of the plants? Unnecessary we should not pluck the leaves, flowers, and because plants, flowers and leaves, they make our environment beautiful, our surroundings very beautiful, okay. And they are useful when they are growing, they are flourishing, okay. अगर प्लांट रहेगा तभी तो फ्रूट्स आते रहेंगे ना. अगर आपने प्लांट्स को कट कर दिया तो कैसे होगा? सो वी शुड स्टॉप कटिंग द प्लांट्स एंड we should have the green surroundings, and by planting only we can get the green surroundings. Okay, fruits, vegetables, pulses, everything we get by planting the plants. Okay, so we should not unnecessarily cut the plants, and we should not waste the paper, because paper we make from plants only na, bamboo plants से papers बनते हैं. So we should take care of our environment and plants also. So I hope you understood and you got everything out of this chapter. Okay, so what we will read these chapters once at your home. Okay, अपने से पढ़ो, and if you are not able to understand, you ask me. Okay, so with this I am completing this class. Hope stay healthy, stay happy, and goodbye. Have a nice day.